Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilas, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So after trading in a range for a while, we can see that gold is trying to show some action. So gold was trading in a narrow range because of the US holiday yesterday, but today's since morning gold is trying to show some action, especially gold is trying to go for a breakout. We can see that gold is trying to break the resistance around 2905 2906. Okay, and it seems that gold will succeed and gold will be able to move higher. Okay, because if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold inches higher on concerns over Trump tariff threats, gold steady on safe haven demand, gold gains on softer dollar Trump tariff threats. So overall the market sentiment has not changed. So on Friday, we had an indication from the market that there can be some sort of trend reversal because market formed a bearish engulfing pattern technically. But we are also smart. We have been observing gold for a long time. We have seen that when market sentiment is bullish, okay, any candlestick pattern, okay, doesn't work because market sentiment or the news, the fundamentals give direction to the market. Without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. That's why we thoroughly discussed on Saturday that without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal and it will just be a technical correction. As expected, it was just a technical correction and market is heading up again. But obviously, for a market to go up, a retracement is extremely important. Correction is extremely important. But on the chart of gold, for a long time, we haven't seen any proper retracement. So obviously, buying and breakout is high risk. But if gold doesn't come for retracement, we cannot help it, isn't it? So taking a sell, expecting downtrend is just a foolish decision. So as long as gold is bullish, we need to respect the trend of the market. So if the trend changes, then obviously we need to be flexible and we need to sit on sell. But right now, gold is bullish, so we need to respect it because we can see that the tariff threats, the safe haven sentiment is still dominating the market. Okay, so we can't help it. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities. I believe most of the positional traders and swing traders have already exited from their buy position because when the correction on Friday came, many people exited. So if you have already exited from your swing buy, positional buy, obviously you have done a good job. Okay, because many of you have been holding gold since 2600 2700. So if you have exited, I don't think so this is the right time to buy again because on the daily we can clearly see we have a huge gap. Okay, and there is a good chance that, okay, in the future, because we don't know when gold will come, okay, in the future gold will try to come down and that will be a better position to grab again. Because as a position trader, obviously you will be holding your position for a couple of weeks to couple of months, so obviously you need a discounted price and this is not a discounted price at all. So for positional traders, I will not suggest anything right now. So whatever we have on the screen right now are strictly for day traders only. And obviously, I'm a hardcore day trader. Day trading is my forte. Obviously, position trading, okay, I'm a little weak. I consider myself, okay. So I think it will be better for us to look for day trades only because as a positional trader, we will not get a discounted price right now because market is standing at the top. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see this is our beloved gold. 58% retail traders are on the sell side and 42% are on the buy side. Okay, and as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So we always see market moving against the sentiment meter. So as per the sentiment meter, there is a chance that gold will be going up. Okay, and one more thing I would like to show you here. Okay, this is the options data. We have discussed about the options data a couple of days ago, and I showed you that we had huge number of contracts at 3000. Remember guys? Okay, the contracts are reducing. It was around 14,000 contracts. Now you can see contracts are reducing and coming down to 10,000. Okay, so this is not a good sign at all. So if gold gets bullish and contracts keep on decreasing, gold will break 3000 also. This is not a good sign. So let's wait and watch. And I can see new contracts are building up at 3150. Okay, my God. Okay, my tongue is getting paralyzed. Okay. Yeah, you can see we have an addition of 1300 contracts at 23150 level. So if gold gets bullish, okay, because on the options data we can see that there is a chance, okay, because when the month of February started, it seemed that it was impossible for gold to break 3000 because of the high number of contracts. But you can see the contracts are reducing. If there is a brick wall, the bricks are slowly falling. So the wall is losing strength. So okay, 3150 may be the new resistance if gold goes up. Okay. So right now, if you have any buy on gold right now, you can continue with your buy position. And if you're looking for a safe entry, then what you can do is, okay, you can wait for some time, because 2905, 2906 have been working as a minor resistance. So if you see that during the day market is trying to take support on 2905, 04, 06 area, okay, around this area, we can look for a buy position. Why? We can look for a buy because the previous resistance will be working as the new support. So if previous resistance become new support, it will be a good level to buy. If you have already taken a buy at breakout, because in the morning also, okay, I took a buy, I have exited already with 40 pips. Okay, but if you're holding your buy position, you can hold with your stop loss below this 29, around 2904. You can put your stop loss and you can hold your buy as well. Okay. And during the day, if market surprises us, okay, if market surprises us and market comes down, then we can look for a buy around 2992 and 2988. Why 299288 is a support? Because of previous price rejection around this area. So we can expect that if gold comes down, market will take support around this area. And the rest of the levels are also very much valid that we discussed yesterday, day before yesterday. For example, the best support on the chart of gold is around 285053. Now this level is far away. Let's not talk about it and waste time. Then we also have a support around 286664. This level is also far away, but this is a valid support. For example, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, these are the levels where you can look for support, where you can look for bounce as a day trader. Okay, but we also have a new support on the chart of gold, which is around 2877 to 879, the level from where market bounce. Okay, we can look for also support around this area. But during the US session, if gold surprises us, because gold is full of surprises, we cannot deny it, isn't it? So if you see that gold is coming down, gold is under heavy selling pressure, we can also look for a sell below this area as well, means below 2876. You must be confused. Okay, let me wrap it up once. On Friday, we got an indication that there can be a trend reversal, but still there was no news. So as expected, it was just a technical correction. And we can see that gold is trying to continue the overall trend of the market, which is bullish. So as a trader, it will be better for us to look for buy positions only for our own safety. So in the morning, we saw that gold is going for a breakout. If you already have taken a buy, you can continue with your buy position. And if you're looking for a fresh entry, you're not very confident right now, you can wait for some time, because the same level will be working as the new support, because the previous resistance will be the new support around 2905 to 900406 area. Okay, and gold is full of surprises. So if gold drops, then we have multiple supports on the chart of gold. The first support is around 2892 88 area. So if gold takes support around this particular zone here, we can look for a buy, especially during the European session or before US session, because there okay, if there is not much volume, and we can expect this type of minor support to provide support. Otherwise, we can look for support around 2877 2879 area, the same level from where market bounced when the market opened. So this is also good support in the market right now. But if you see that there is a heavy correction in the gold, then below this level we can also look for a sell. And the support levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid: 286466 and 28535 28550 area. Those levels are far away. Chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. And my dear friends, if gold goes up, obviously there will be some retracement. market cannot go up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. So around 29, okay, around 2923 area, okay, there can be some resistance, but do not look for a sell, because okay, in a bullish market taking a sell, okay, is very risky. If you have experience, then you can look for a sell, okay, quick sell for 30-40 pips. Otherwise it's better to wait. Personally, I'm not going to sell, okay. So at this moment, okay, to continue the upside to gold, to head towards 3000, gold needs to break 2950s. Okay, so 2950 is the ultimate resistance for gold this as of now. If gold breaks 2950, then we can expect that gold will be heading towards 2980 to 985 area. Okay, so let's wait and watch. As of now, let's stick to the levels, because as a positional trader, okay, if you have exited, then okay, it's better to wait and watch, because this is not the discounted price for the market. So levels are for day trades only. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.